How to add music bot in Telegram channel. Want to stream or share music directly in your Telegram channel? In this video, I'll show you how to add a music bot step by step. So first, go ahead and open up the channel where you want to add the Telegram music bot. Now from here, go ahead and summon it. So mention the music bot that you want to use. So you can go ahead and search for the specific artist on the music bot, and the music bot will then suggest all of the available songs of that artist on the bot. Now go ahead and click on it to send the message, and you'd be able to listen to the song while on the channel. So anyone on the channel could then play the song as well. And that is how to add music bot in Telegram channel. So you just need to open up your Telegram account, go ahead and enter the channel name or mention the channel name on the message, and then go ahead and select the specific song that you want to add to your